Tradelle versus AutoDS, which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to do another compare and contrast between two dropshipping service providers, Tradelle.io and AutoDS, which one best suits the needs for your e-commerce business, and we are going to begin with AutoDS. So AutoDS is an all-in-one automatic dropshipping tool that helps customers effortlessly manage their online stores by automating product listing, inventory tracking, product research, order fulfillment, and so on and so forth. And we are going to begin with its pros and cons. So the pros are: provides reliable customer support, automation of multiple suppliers, convenient inventory management, which a lot of people are looking for, lots of time-saving features, and a one-click product import feature. The cons, however, there is no trial, there's no free trial, everything is priced, and the UI can be confusing, especially for beginners. So those are the pros and cons. Now, if you go to trustpilot.com here, a website for reviews and whatnot, as you can see here, this is AutoDS. It has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, which is so high, based off of over 9,231 reviews. So as you can see here, the breakdown is as follows. 5-star is over 88%, right? 4-star is 8%. 3-star is less than 1. 2-star is 1%, and 1-star is 3%, surprisingly. But again, if we go back to our pros and cons, this probably is the UI or people who are just like very new to dropshipping. So if you go and see all the reviews here, these are all people. These are not modded, by the way. And as you can see their location. So this one's from the US, right? A lot from the US, FCA, Canada, Singapore. So again, very high, very high. And again, if you go to their website, this is their website. I'm going to show you their features, the features of AutoDS, so that you could have an idea of what you're going to get. So as you can see here, it says here 1.8 million plus dropshippers who use the platform. It has over $1 billion earned by said dropshippers, and it had over 800 million winning products available. Right. So what are the features? They have a product research system. They have a built-in AI Shopify store. Right. Get an AI built Shopify store with winning products ready to sell pages to kickstart your dropshipping business. You can also import products. So you can import over 500 million products from global suppliers in just one click, which is pretty handy. And they also have fulfilled by AutoDS, which is automation when it comes to tracking, orders, and returns for the buyers, right? Of course, they also have their own print and demand. They have product sourcing, and they have 24/7 live chat support with an average of 1 hour in terms of response time by their professional support team that will 100% help you with whatever query or issue you have with the service. And they have 14-day trial for $1, which is pretty cool, right? So this is the supported worldwide suppliers. Work with reliable and trustworthy suppliers from all over the world that are supported by AutoDS. As you can see here, AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, Home Depot, Banggood, Walmart, eBay, Costco, Overstock, Costway, Lowe's, dropshipping.com. And they have eBay, WooCommerce, Shopify, Etsy, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, and TikTok. Right? So those are the suppliers. And as you can see, pretty cool animation that we have here. And here, of course, you're going to have reviews, right? We already saw reviews, but this is the Shopify reviews. And they have reviews from Shopify App Store, Capterra, GetApp, and this one. Now we go to pricing. So when it comes to pricing for AutoDS, it depends on the platform, right? Whether you're eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, and TikTok. It depends, right? So it is divided into 4 plans. So you have import, you have starter, you have advanced, and then you have a customized. This is for big businesses, pretty much. So import, you pretty much get 200 products. Product research tool is available. Graph manager is available. You can see all the available goods, right? And you could see the one that doesn't have checks. Those are not available for that plan. So again, it depends on the platform, right? This is eBay. Shopify is much more expensive. Facebook is more expensive. Amazon is very expensive. Wix, not as much as good as Shopify, right? WooCommerce, same thing. Etsy, same thing. And then TikTok is a bit more expensive. But again, Amazon, which is the biggest platform for selling, right? There you go. And you can just, again, just scroll down, show you. There we go. And yeah, that is AutoDS. Tradelle.io is an all-in-one product research tool that helps dropshippers and online sellers find profitable products to sell. With its variety of tools and comprehensive platform, Tradelle offers a robust solution for product research and decision making. Now, we are going to go over the pros and cons, the features, the pricing of Tradelle so that you can see if it fits the shoe for all of your needs. So the pros and cons are as follows. The pros are a large product database, trend analysis tool which helps to stay ahead of the competition, comprehensive insights into the performance of each product, an automated fulfillment process, and excellent customer support. The cons are slow customer support response times, and there is a learning curve for new users. That is why it is ranked or scored 4.6 out of 5, which is pretty high. And now we will go to Tradelle.io's website. And as you can see here, they consider themselves as the #1 dropshipping product research tool and supplier available online. So discover the best dropshipping products, import winning products with one click, and automate your order processing all in one place. As you can see here, they have had exposure from USA Today, TikTok, Mashable, OK, AZ Central, and Instagram. So dropshipping product tools. So discover profitable product ideas, analyze sales figures, seasonality, and more. Access updated data on new trending products. You have a one-click winning product Shopify import. So import products to your store in one click. Tradelle auto uploads all product information and suggests competitive selling prices. And you have dropshipping supplier and automatic shipment. So as you can see here, Tradelle is your most reliable dropshipping supplier. All of the orders from imported products are fulfilled and shipped out automatically by Tradelle sourcing team with fast shipping times. We also have dropshipping fulfillment tracking, which is parcel tracking numbers are automatically forwarded to Shopify once received. Your customer receives an email notification, and both of you and your customer are updated frequently. So they also have individual dropshipping product sourcing. So again, automate your dropshipping business with fulfillment by Tradelle. So this is pretty much the perks: product import, automatic shipment, order status updates, and package delivery. As you can see, of course, they're going to rate themselves really very, very high, 4.7 out of 5, with all of the testimonials here. You can just click see all and you can read them. You have the blogs here, then you have the FAQs. If you hover on research, you have blog templates, Discord community. You can join their Discord. They're about, right, support affiliate program. So if you want to be part of the affiliate program, just click on this. As you can see here, 50% recurring commission forever. Check potential earnings with Tradelle's affiliate program. So as you can see here, these are the perks. Earn 50% lifetime, earn extra with each order, receive transparent payouts monthly. And who can promote Tradelle? As you can see here, if you are a content creator, a social media influencer, a YouTuber, an educator, entrepreneur, or a blog or a writer, you could opt to join the program by clicking this. So if you do that, as you can see here, you can just sign up for the program, and if they choose you, then you're good to go. Now, if you go to library of templates, so click on that. As you can see here, these are templates. So shipping policy template, return and refund policy template, terms of service template, privacy template, about us, and frequently asked questions. So these are templates that you can use for your store. So shipping policy for your store, return and refund policy for your store, terms of service, privacy policy, about us for your store. So they're actually helping you with, like, you don't need to like think of or hire a writer or a copywriter for this. You just have this, download this, and just tweak it to your liking for your store, and you're good to go. So after that, we go to pricing. So these are the plans and pricing for Tradelle. You can opt to try it for free. So as you can see, which is pretty good, no credit card required, because some service providers, even though it's 2024, still require you to use a credit card so that you could try their free service or products, which is annoying. But with Tradelle, you don't need to use your card. So again, you have monthly, yearly, lifetime. So for monthly, you have $29.99. It is $39.99 originally. You have 25 off. And for yearly, you have $19.99 or $29.99. And then lifetime, just one payment is $479, right? So these are all what you get. So profitable products, one-click product import, fulfillment by Tradelle. You can just pause the video and just read those, right? So that is it's pretty, honestly, it is pretty, with what people are saying online, it is pretty cheap. If you want to try, like, if you think it's a good fit for free, you can try for 1 month and see if it does have a positive impact on your e-commerce business. If not, you can just cancel the subscription. So yeah, that is Tradelle. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.